I'm not a pro.
Fish on.
I don't have fancy sponsors. I don't have pro level gear.
Bigger.
I can't read a tide chart and moons like pros. I'm just a regular guy who loves to fish. It's my hobby, it's what I love to do, and I try to do it as best I can. Problem is, every time I go check YouTube for information, I can't relate to most of these people. They're just at a next level that I'm just not at. So that's why I decided this is what I'm gonna do. This is what my channel is gonna be about. Regular people who work 9-to-5 jobs, who love fishing as a hobby, but just wanna get better at it. If you're looking for tournament level fishing, competitive fishing, going out and snagging stuff all the time, records and stuff, probably not the channel for you. If you're looking for brand new gear reviews, hey look, I got this new Shimano. Again, probably not for you. I'm just a regular guy. That's not my level. But if you like to fish after work, fish before work. If you just fish whenever you can, weekends, in between kids stuff, you have a small boat and you go up by yourself, might be the channel for you, because that's pretty much what I do. It's pretty much all I can get in. It's what I love to do. I started this channel because I enjoy fishing. I love to do it. It's very relaxing. It's very calming. I used to do other hobbies, but I found this one really calms me, and I love it a lot. But I'm not an expert. I don't always know the right gear. I don't always know the right time to go out. I might have a small window of time and figure, let's go, and it just happens to be on the wrong side of the tide, wrong moon, wrong time of day, wrong temperature. But that's what I have to work with. Even when I screw up or don't catch anything, I still learn from it. I still draw information from my failures to try to get better. So what you'll see some good days, you'll see some bad days, you'll see me catch nothing. I'll try to keep those to a minimum, but it happens a lot. I'll try to discuss what's good. I'll try to discuss what works and what's bad, what doesn't work. The reason I started this a couple years ago, but never really got too serious into it, is there are good channels. John Skinner Fishing, Fishing with Johnny, Wozy Fishing. There's so many. Those are just my area. So many great channels, tons of information, really good fishermen. It doesn't necessarily show the people that don't have much time, don't have the time to invest in research, but it doesn't necessarily show fishing for most of us, just regular guys. Johnny seems to be spot on. He's got great locations, great fishermen, knows what he's doing for sure. And I love watching his stuff. It's very informational. Same with John Skinner. He's got years of experience, Amazon books. Guy knows his stuff. Me, I'm just a regular guy that just goes out and enjoys fishing, want to catch stuff, love to catch stuff. So if you ever go out and don't catch anything and think, oh, I'm horrible at this, I don't know what I'm doing, it's not that. It happens to everybody. You just won't see it. You're not gonna see it on YouTube. It might not get the clicks that people want, so it just doesn't get put up. Me, it is what it is. I'll put it up. I'm gonna have a bad day, I know it, so I'll post it. So if this sounds like stuff you're interested in and you're kind of fishing, then stick around. I'm gonna try to just post as much as I can, like regular average gear reviews, stuff that people can afford that's not crazy expensive. If you're brand new to fishing and just want a basic setup, stuff like that. Regular fishing trips, depending on if I'm doing striper or sea bass or whatever have you. I'm up in Narragansett Bay, so our window's like March, April to October. That's my prime fishing season. No pros, no pressure, just regular fishing, regular gear, regular boats. So thanks for watching Sno'way's Fishing Adventures. If you like what you see, you want to see more, click the like, subscribe, and I will see you soon.